To access associate codes, go to the main store menu. If maintenance is not selected in the level 1 menu command button, click it until maintenance appears. Then click on associates. The form will be initialized, preceded by the find form. We want to see a list of the associates. If all the find form fields are empty, we can press the enter key and a list will display all the associates currently on file. We'll select number 0004, Dan Donaldson, and press enter or click on the OK command button. That populates the form with the existing associate information. Notice that this form is divided into 5 sections. Demographics, physical address, mailing address, other, and password/supervisor. The other grouping includes a field for the employment status, which can be selected by placing the cursor in the text box and either pressing the F2 function key or clicking on the command button to the right of it and selecting any of the preset options. To the right of that is the security level, which is not currently used. The supervisor checkbox is to indicate that the associate is a supervisor. Notes relating to the associate can be entered in the appropriate text box. The security group is not currently used. In the password/supervisor group, you can add or change a password by clicking the Change Password checkbox. You must enter the old password if one exists. If there is no existing password, you can simply press the Enter or Tab key. Then, enter the new password and confirm password. At the bottom of this section is a text box to indicate the employee's supervisor. You can select an existing associate by placing the cursor in the supervisor box, pressing F2 or clicking on the command button and selecting the supervisor code from the list. The supervisor for this employee must exist in the file before you can do this step. When completed and you're satisfied with the data, you can save the data by clicking on the Save command button on the toolbar. If you wish to abandon the changes, click on the Restore command button on the toolbar. To add an associate code, click on the New command button on the toolbar. The associate code and last name are mandatory. You will not be able to save the record if these fields are left blank. Be sure to click on the Save or Restore command button when finished with adding or editing associate codes.